Here, my new dorm room. And it has my lucky numbers. Let's see. Whoa, what's that?
More like, who's that?
We're roomies.
That's what I was afraid of. Not bad.
Uh-oh, we spoke too soon.
It's a mess. So not up to my standards.
I've seen worse.
Then you clean it.
Fine. Let's start with here. Pfft, dust particles? These are more like dust monsters. Guess they didn't have a trash bin in here. Moving this out of the way. Wow, a perfectly usable mattress.
Not so fast. I'll take that.
I saw it first.
I deserve it more.
Whoa.
Oopsie daisy.
Maybe I don't need a mattress after all. I'm stuck.
Careful or not.
I'm okay. Anyway, you laugh, but I choose to get to work. Being productive feels much better than being belittled. Aha! Just the thing I need. This will be a great bedsheet. And hey, green is my favorite color.
Please.
Time to rest. This is not as comfortable as I imagined. Ooh, that's why.
Ha! Now watch and learn. Phew! I'm done. Easy peasy.
What? No, you're not.
Don't believe me, huh? Honey, my money can buy anything. Even room makeover magic. Told ya!
Oh, I see.
Don't be jealous. Or be jealous. I don't care. Hello? Room service! They'll be here in a second.
You called for me, ma'am?
Show me!
Gladly. How about…
Nah, not in my color season.
maybe this?
Ew! Are you for real?
Oh, I know!
Haha, me likey.
Mission accomplished! This'll only take a second.
Wow!
Thanks to these, you can wish upon a starfish anytime you go to bed.
Thanks!
Rate my service.
4 stars.
Huh? But why?
Keep talking, and I'll make it 3. I better keep this for myself. Bye!
So spoiled!
He deserved even less.
I realize my bed's missing something. Wow, it's perfect! But we can get rid of this smelly thing.
Hey, watch it! So worried. I can use some fresh water. Let's open my window.
You mean our window?
No!
Oh, but
Let's settle this once and for all.
I'm in.
Rock, paper, scissors!
Rock, paper, scissors.
Keep going! Hey, I'm just smarter! Haha!
Rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah, not yet. Keep going. Yay! So chic.
Scissors! Huh? You tricked me?
Obviously.
This is so unfair.
Ouch.
Wait, I'm feeling inspired. No window for me? Well, I don't accept that. I might not have money, but I have incredible DIY skills. And here's the view. Ah, not this! Yeah, more tropical pirate vibes.
My side needs more luxury. This was worth 5 treasure chests! Ah! Oh no! How do we fix that? What do I do? What do I do? Just help me with that!
Whoa! Ah! Why would you do that? Ugh. I guess I'll have to be the one to take care of it.
No! Need the maintenance box! It's here! I picked the fastest delivery! The fanciest weighted rug! It did the trick! Move!
Ooh, I have an idea. Let's cut it from here carefully. Yep, more cutting. Now we have 2 pieces. I know you don't see my vision yet, but just wait. Trust the creative process. Don't need these. That's right. I made more of these. She won't be the only one with a rug. Time to paint! Need to make sure the color is evenly applied. And here it is.
Okay, I admit it looks cool.
Never thought I'd hear you say that.
Take the win! TV time!
Breaking news.
What happened?
Things are getting worse.
Oh no!
What is it?
We need to act.
I'm scared.
And you scared me! Huh? What's happening? I'm too young for this!
I'm afraid of the dark.
Then say it with me! Lumos!
Phew. Hey,
Haha! It wasn't me!
you're lying. Huh? Look, it's them. Ugh. You really shouldn't laugh about this. I can teach them a thing or two about recycling. These cans don't belong in the ocean anyway. At least as trash. Ta-da! This will definitely make my side of the room cozier.
Ha! How dare you quit on me! Hello! This is one of a kind, and it's mine.
Yay! The power is back.
I can't hold this forever! Where do I… I know. Hold this for me, would you? Uncle Poseidon's trident should do the trick. Sorry, pirates. Get yourself a new treasure chest. This was cursed for humans anyway. Let's see what we'll find in here. This is okay. What else? Ah! Whoa, heavy. I can actually work with this. Gimme! Aw, gold on gold just makes sense.
I need a bedside table too. Well, guess the bed will be just fine without this. I hope my mermaid tail is just the right size and shape. Hope I don't accidentally cut the floor. Slow and steady. No need to rush this part. Yay! It's done!
Wow, impressive!
We did it! We really transformed the room!
Yeah, it really feels like home now.
High five!
Got it!
Laboobas? We're rewarded.
Aw, I finally have a home on the land! Huh? And it's infected with bugs? No!
No need for an invitation. I claim this.
No way! I saw it first!
Mine! Now there are two? Whoa. Wasn't expecting that. Mine's gonna be better. In your dreams. I mean, nightmares.
Ugh, you'll see. I don't have time to listen to you. I'll get started. My house will have a pink roof, obviously. The more vibrant the shade, the better. All this work is already making me hungry. Hey, but that's not fair!
Ugh. Let's at least put those tears to use.
You're truly evil! Wait! Aw, you made me a little ocean!
How?
Under the sea! Under the sea! Ooh, this'll be perfect for my new home!
See? The ocean always rewards its own. Ugh. Why do I care?
Oh, now that's what I call a win!
Watch this.
Ta-da! And that's how mermaids make bubbles!
Try and top this sparkle, vampire girl.
But it's missing… this! Now it really feels like home! Underwater aesthetic on point!
Lame. It's like a craft store exploded. Enjoy it. Mine's about to steal the spotlight in a moment. This house is about to get haunted. No sunlight is getting through these walls. Ha! Good boy. My walls won't sparkle. They'll intimidate. And these bats? They'll keep unwanted guests away. As for the grand finale, behold, the wings of doom!
I admit that looks cool. Aha!
too can play this decorating game. Seashells make everything better. Just wait till the sun hits these. Instant sparkle! A true mermaid palace. Huh? Ugh, copycat! I'm stepping up my game. You're not the only one with upgrades. I can do that too. Whatever. Insulation time! My house is about to get a cozy upgrade. This'll keep the chill out even underwater. Oh, hey! Thanks!
Huh? I caught something big!
You wish!
Oh man, why am I always this unlucky?
Oops. Guess I hurt his feelings. Hey, catch this!
What? Yeah!
Okay, back to work. Time to paint. This is gonna look so cute when I'm done. A sprinkle of glitter never hurt anyone. These walls are turning into a real underwater cave. This is officially my favorite part. But I'm not done yet. These walls need way more magic. A little bubble here, and another there. They make everything look so dreamy. Good job, me.
My turn. Ready to turn me into a vampire?
Well, not so fast. I need a favor first.
Oh please, I'll do anything.
Time to add some dark elegance. This is the perfect mix of creepy and cute, if you ask me. My walls will give everyone the chills. Just how I like it. Creepy? Check. Crawly? Double check. Walls? Done. Now onto the floors. My floor can't stay boring either. No way! A living floor? Yes, please! Seeds need water, just like I do. This'll be so much cuter than plain and boring tiles. Yes! My seaweed is coming to life! Regular flooring? Not in my house. Making a little mermaid pathway. And done! What is my nemesis up to now? Huh? She's spying on me. That just makes me even more competitive. And fuels me to come up with awesome ideas like this one. Every haunted house needs a balcony, obviously. As a bat queen, I will survey my kingdom from up here. Back, talk about a balcony with attitude, with authentic fangs. I've got some balcony ideas of my own. Let's shape this dough first. I'm really good at this, and that's not up for discussion. A balcony that looks like it grew from the ocean. And there! My seashell balcony is officially part of the house! Oh, I'm so proud of myself! To make this place feel more like home, cute furniture is a must. I'll set up the perfect little corner with my treasure chest included. Who knew setting a table could be this fun? My bathroom? It'll feel like an underwater spa. This table will be perfect for suspiciously elegant dinners. If it's not creepy, it doesn't belong in my house. A quiet corner for all my ancient books. Your darkness can't cross here! As if I want to step in there. Ha! Swim here if you dare! Oh yeah! Let's see you breathe underwater then! How about that? You're banned from my beach! Darling, I don't do sun anyway. Well, I guess we're done. That's right. My lair is complete too. A true palace of shadows. Perfectly sea-tastic! Dark, dramatic, and delightful! Yay! Hey! Ready? Let's go. See ya, neighbor! So eerie. This place suits me. Dinner is served. Ocean flavors only. Let's dig in! Hallway of curiosities. I'm amazed by my work. My pet fish is enjoying his new spot. Hey, buddy! Who says vampires can't groove? Aw, what a romantic ending.
Feels like I'm floating in a warm ocean cloud.
Some fresh air and a great view.
Hey!
Huh? What's going on?